Okay, Miss McVeigh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy's my husband, and we're divorced, but we're live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out,
I'm
right?
working. I'm driving the truck.
It starts like any other story of love lost and found, but quickly turns Miss McVeigh and her ex-husband Leroy are trying to patch things up. But behind the smiles and second chances lies a storm of tension. She's working, he's not. And 3 kids are caught in the middle. Is this reconciliation or desperation? But just wait, because what Leroy says next will change everything.
I don't drive every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you
an
I'm working
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
wasn't
live.
working.
You guys live together right now.
Well, see,
temporary,
well, the
dog.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. You know, childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
He
let me ask
wanted
the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay.
Leroy swears he's still working, but 2 days a week doesn't cut it when 3 little mouths need feeding. Miss McVeigh lets him move back in, but not for love. It's the childcare cost. Her voice is tired. Her face says it all. What kind of partnership is this really? And when the kids' ages come, up it just gets heavier.
And you all live together with the kids.
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this would be a good arrangement.
Only
And he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
'cause you
Hold on,
tried.
one
Let
second,
me
sir.
finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well,
really,
that's not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
Tensions boil over as the courtroom erupts. What was supposed to be a calm explanation turns into a shouting match. The judge steps in stern, commanding unwilling to play referee. They're living together for the kids, but is that just a cover? Or is someone hiding their real motive? The judge is about to demand answers, and you'll want to hear them.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing to do
money
with
for
me.
childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
Finally, Leroy speaks, and what he says might surprise you. He's not denying the arrangement, but he claims he came back only for the kids. Only Miss McVeigh scoffs. The judge, not amused. This isn't just about money. It's about motive, resentment, and the truth behind a fractured family. But what Leroy reveals next, that sets off fireworks.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, you know, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working 2
time you
days
have
a
an
week.
Yes,
outburst.
sir.
And that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out
Your Honor,
somehow.
I'm trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not, I already told you both, we're not gonna have these disruptions.
Let me tell you what's really happening here. She mad because I went to Cabo 2 weeks ago and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
Boom. Just when the courtroom settles, Leroy drops a bomb. He went to Cabo. Alone, while Miss McVeigh juggled 3 kids, he was sipping cocktails. His excuse? She said I could. Her fury palpable. The judge warns them both. But it's clear this isn't just about co-parenting. You won't believe how this Cabo confession unravels.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party and stuff.
Wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, clean the bathroom, everything.
Sound
you
like
know?
a good man.
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I need a
this?
break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, you know, she cried, talking about, well, what's going on? I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. You said go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know.
well, good.
Cabo wasn't just a vacation. It was the final crack in an already fragile arrangement. She accuses he deflects, cleaning, cooking, mopping, all her responsibilities while he enjoyed himself. Now the tears come, the voice breaks, and the courtroom feels the weight of it all. And just when you think it can't escalate further, the judge drops a revelation.
But
Well,
she
good.
think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are
I'm
already
taking care of
divorced.
the kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of the kids.
Well, you
know.
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on child support, correct?
Correct.
Okay. No, that's not happening. There is no
So,
way.
well-
There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home
That's
as
right.
him. That's
That's
So
that
I just
cannot
need to
happen.
kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll
That-
get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do.
Reality hits hard. They're already divorced, and now Miss McVeigh wants child support. But there's a catch-one that leaves her stunned. If Leroy lives under the same roof, legally, it's not happening. The judge lays down the law, but what she says next flips the power dynamic completely. Now it's up to Miss McVeigh, and she's got a plan.
But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under the.
You didn't tell
Excuse
me
me.
that.
I
You
tried
know
to
what?
tell you that.
Man.
You know what? I'm going to go
I tried
ahead
to
and
tell
tell
you.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no
Sorry,
to you.
Luana.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay,
Now
yes,
I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my
so-
plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay. Well,
plan.
here's the plan for this for today.
The tension explodes as the judge declares her ruling, and neither party is happy. Don't be sorry. Be careful, she warns. And Miss McVeigh fires back with a cryptic, I got a plan. What does that mean? And what's she about to do next? This courtroom may be quiet, but the storm is just beginning. And her final question, it shocks even the judge.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Yes.
What is that?
Is this still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay,
I can
I'll go
legally-
ahead. I see you came here.
won't get in
Excuse me.
trouble.
I see you came here to waste my time.
Yeah, I
So
know.
I'll move
I
along.
just need
Sir,
some
do
more
you have
money.
any other questions?
Your Honor,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said
I
about
ain't
my
got,
ruling?
no, I ain't got no question what you said. 'cause
Okay, the
she-
plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
Miss McVeigh's last question is bold, maybe even reckless. Can I throw his clothes on the curb? The judge shuts it down fast. This isn't a soap opera, but it sure feels like one. The case is dismissed, the courtroom clears, but the real drama continues at home. Sometimes the law can't fix what love broke. If this story hit home, leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real cases that reveal the truth behind closed doors.